So I've got no time for cowards. You want me, you talk that in front of my face and we engage each other.
Hi everyone, don't forget to subscribe.
And said Mkhwanazi is asking to see me. I gave them a meeting in Zimbali in KZN. Out of Mkhwanazi's request, Mkhwanazi came to that meeting and told me that the people who killed AKA, they are in prison already, but they are arrested for something else. Soon they will be charged with AKA's matter. The whole information is there. They are ready. They are just waiting for one or two things. That's what Mkhwanazi tells me. So I say, but why are you not communicating that? Because we are all worried about AKA's matter. Mkhwanazi says, I cannot communicate this until I'm ready to pounce on these people. Because if I announce this, Begitele is going to interfere with this case and destroy the case. That's why I don't want to announce, but this is the progress. And true to what he said, it didn't take a week or so. Those people were now charged with AKA's murder. That's how Mkhwanazi met with me. But he says all of those things about General Khan, about all of that, when I'm not there at the ADO committee. When he came and I was there, he could not say that impression about me in my presence. So I've got no time for cowards. You want me, you talk that in front of my face and we engage each other. He must never, never create an impression that there is a corrupt relationship between me and Sibiya. I know Sibiya for nothing. Corrupt relationship between me and Khan. I've got no corrupt relationship with General Khan or anyone of that sort. I've got no tender in the police and anywhere. That's why they will never find me. Look for me and you will never catch me because I'm not part of the gangsters. When I called Sibiya, one of the cases I called Sibiya about was a case of Jerry Bushukha. The mother of Jerry Bushukha called me and said my child was kidnapped for too long. Police are not doing anything. I took my phone and I called General Sibiya. I said the mother is looking for a child. Please, let's make sure this matter is resolved. Why did I take a phone and call? It's my job as a public representative. When you bring complaints to me, I take them straight to the police where they belong. Any matter, bring it to me. I will deal with it because that is not corruption. I repeated that when we were in Kgoshima when I was telling that criminal Matala that please talk to Jerry Bushukha's mother because she's looking for a son. So do not be scared. Do not be intimidated by those who think they can destroy us. These are small kids. They want to know us. They must go and ask Donald Trump who we are. Then they will know what they are dealing with. Agito dila le magogorwana. Ke dila le banna bo Donald Trump ka Oval Office. Wena o busy ka Twitter o bolela nonsense. Re ka officing ya EFF ya Tembisa o ka tsule re boletse ka wena ka gore a o selo o ta khwa o se selo because you talk about things you know nothing about.